Welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. As we have started Autodesk Revit tutorial series, and in this lecture I'm just going to show that how we'll draw our how we'll define and draw our structural slab. Okay, so if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and obviously like our video, and don't forget to leave a comment after completing that video. Okay, so to draw slab, first of all I'll just go here first floor, because in ground floor or ZF we don't draw don't draw any slab. Okay, so I'll provide slab on that first floor first. So I'll just click it first floor and see I'm here now. Right, I'm here. So when I'm here now, I have to draw our slab. So to draw slab, I'll just come here structure, then from here floor, then floor structural. So when we are here now, from here I'll just go down and I need 5-inch concrete slab. So I'll first of all select concrete, floor concrete, then I'll just go ahead edit. Okay, so from edit here it's okay. Now I'll just take a replicate, so I'll click replicate and 5-inch, I'll take a 5-inch slab. Okay, 5-inch slab, then okay. After that I just have to edit that value, so I'll click here edit. Okay, and from here I'll just give 5-inch, and must you have to change the concrete materials property from here, so I'll just click here. Okay, and we have defined materials property, you know that, so I'll just go here, see C200 2800 psi, so 2.8 ksi concrete I have just defined, so I have selected that. Okay, and you can see its different types of property. So you know that, if you're following my channel, then you know that how we'll define that as materials properties. So after selecting that, click OK. So see here we have selected that. After that, simply click OK. Right, so when it's done, now you can see other things that what you need to see. After that, simply click OK. So when it's done, now we have to draw our slab. Now which types of slab actually we'll create? We'll create rectangular. Here we have to create a rectangular slab as per our floor plan. Okay, so I'll just click on it, and I'll zoom it from that point and to that point. I'll just draw a slab, then I'll click apply. Right, see here we have just created our slab. So after that I'll click anywhere, just here. Okay, after that it will just gone, and again I'll just come here floor, then structural slab, and it's already selected. After that again I'll just go here and I'll select that point to that point. Clear? After that again go here, just see it's also done. So again come here and again floor structural slab. So here in this way we have to draw that. So I'll again just go here from that point to that point. Clear? Again after that you have to click here like that, and after that click here and again go. After that select that boundary line, and from here select that one. After that click here, click. Okay, so when it's done, after that I will just draw that one, and I will copy that slab to here, because that side and that side all value are same. Okay, so I'll just go structural, then structural from here 5 inch, it's okay. I will select a rectangle, and from that point to that point I'll just click here, okay, right? So when it's done, and here we'll draw our stair, you know that, so I'll just click here. After that I'll click here, okay. So when it's done, now if you need to see it, just you can see from here in 3D view. So if you just go in 3D view, just see here we have just created slab, okay. So by clicking that line like that, you can select that. Otherwise, if you just go first floor and then simply, carefully zoom it, it should be selected. So onward direction span, and here if you select, this is another direction slab. So after that, how do you can do that? Here we have to select that slab from here, okay. So if I just take here like that, then slab will be selected. You have to select, you have to take mouse on that middle line like here, and you will see all sides have selected. So again I'll just come here, and sorry, you just have to press Ctrl and then come here, okay. That slab have selected. After that, how do you can do that? We'll just click here, copy, okay, and after that, with respect to that grid, and here with respect to that grid, I'll just draw my slab. Just see here, I have just created my slab. How easily? Again escape, and again just come here, select that one, and again just come here, select, sorry, press Ctrl, and you will see a plus sign available. After that, it's okay, and simply click here, and with respect to that one or that one, simply move in that direction. If you just click here, see, we have provided all of our slab perfectly. After that, simply click on that site, and it's done, right? After that, you can go in 3D view, just see, we have created our slab. Now another thing you can see from here in 3D view, just see this the shaded view, and after that realistic, just see this is the realistic view of our structure. After that, this is the frame view, wireframe view. So from here you are able to see different types of view. Then wait for some time, it will give you a realistic view from here, okay. So wait for some time, here the realistic view. So I just click close, and I'll just come here, and from here this is the view. So in this way we are able to draw our structural slab, okay. So when it's done, now in our next lecture I will show that how we'll draw our slab, stair perfectly. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next video.